Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Dumpling Recipe Book is probably one of the most exciting culinary journeys you can embark on. This book is a treasure trove of dumpling recipes from around the globe, each with its unique flavors and techniques. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this book promises to elevate your cooking skills and introduce you to a world of delicious, handmade dumplings. Get ready to explore a variety of fillings and folding techniques that will transform your meals. Number 5. Let's Make Dumplings, a comic book cookbook. This cookbook teaches you how to make amazing dumplings. It's presented in a fun, comic book style, making the recipes easy to follow. The book provides clear, step-by-step instructions. You'll learn everything from mixing the dough to the perfect cooking technique. The comic book format makes learning to cook enjoyable. It's a great way to get creative in the kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this cookbook is for you. It's designed to be accessible and fun for everyone. With this book, you'll be making delicious dumplings in no time. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your new culinary skills. What we like. This cookbook uses a comic book style to make learning fun. It's perfect for those who are new to dumpling making and want a light-hearted approach. If you're looking for a fun and easy way to get started, this is the one for you. What people say. The book has a great variety of recipes. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The photos are beautiful and make the dumplings look delicious. Number 4. Dumplings All Day Wong, Asian Delights Cookbook. This cookbook, by a top chef, unveils the art of creating authentic Asian dishes. It's filled with delicious recipes and expert tips, making it easy to bring the flavors of Asia to your kitchen. Explore a world of dumplings and other Asian delights. The book offers a variety of recipes, from classic favorites to innovative creations. It's a culinary adventure you won't want to miss. Learn from the best with this cookbook. The author, a renowned chef, shares their expertise and passion for Asian cuisine. It's like having a masterclass in your own home. Inside, you'll find a collection of authentic recipes. Each recipe is carefully crafted and easy to follow. This book is your guide to creating delicious and memorable meals. This book is more than just a cookbook, it's a celebration of Asian flavors. It's packed with stunning photography and inspiring stories. It will ignite your passion for cooking. What we like. This cookbook offers recipes from a top chef, focusing on Asian delights. It provides authentic flavors and elevates your dumpling game. If you are a fan of Asian cuisine and want to explore advanced techniques, you should consider this. What people say. The dough recipes, illustrative photos, and dumplings themselves are all great. Her instructions were very easy to follow and my dumplings came out perfect. Her dough recipe is the best one I've tried, very pliable and easy to make, I'll never buy wrappers again. I also like the variety of recipes and different cooking methods in the book. The book itself has great photos and it opens flat, making it easy to refer to while I'm cooking. Lee and Wong goes over everything, no guesswork. Stocks, dipping sauces, homemade condiments, like miso sauce, Thai basil sauce, ponzu sauce. Making homemade dumpling dough, bao dough, glutinous rice flour dough, adding beetroot or carrot to the dough. Lots of photos of dumplings being made, how to fill them and cook them. Number 3. Dumplings for Beginners, 50 Recipes. Are you a dumpling enthusiast? This book is perfect for beginners. It offers 50 delicious recipes and easy-to-follow instructions. Explore a wide variety of dumpling recipes. It covers different fillings and cooking methods. You'll find something new to try. Learn the art of dumpling making with simple lessons. The steps are clearly explained, making it easy to follow along. You will become a dumpling expert in no time. Create your favorite dumplings at home. This book provides all the guidance you need. It's time to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. Get ready to embark on a delicious adventure. This book is your ultimate guide to dumpling mastery. Get ready to enjoy the taste of homemade dumplings. What we like. This book is designed for beginners, offering step-by-step lessons and 50 easy recipes. It simplifies the dumpling making process, making it accessible to everyone. If you have never made dumplings before, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. Easy to understand and a lot of simple recipes. Interesting recipes with good ingredients. Great recipe book and instructions for anyone wanting to start making dumplings. Number 2. Dumpling Cookbook, delicious Asian dumpling recipes. Are you a fan of delicious Asian dumplings? This cookbook is perfect for beginners. It provides easy-to-follow recipes for making authentic dumplings and pot stickers at home. This cookbook is designed with beginners in mind. It breaks down each step, making it simple to create amazing dumplings. You'll be making restaurant-quality dumplings in no time. Discover a variety of dumpling and pot sticker recipes. From classic flavors to new favorites, it has something for everyone. This book will become your go-to guide for Asian cuisine. Tired of takeout? Now you can make your favorite Chinese dishes at home. This cookbook gives you the secrets to creating delicious dumplings that taste just like your favorite takeout. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your dumpling making skills. This cookbook is your key to becoming a dumpling master. It's time to start cooking. What we like. This cookbook focuses on Asian dumplings and pot stickers, offering easy takeout recipes. It's perfect for those who want to recreate their favorite takeout dishes at home. If you like classic Asian flavors and simple recipes, you should choose this. What people say. The book is a wonderful and varied collection of recipes that include many flavor combinations. I love the easy-to-read print and layout of each page. I am trying each recipe out, and each dumpling has been a delicious surprise. Each recipe starts with a title. List of ingredients are included and you should be able to substitute for your healthier dietary needs. Low sodium, low fat, low sugar and fresh versus canned items. Directions are given, how to make and how to cook. Lots of different countries have recipes included here, all from the Asia continent. Number 1. Dumplings, over 100 recipes. This book unveils a diverse collection of dumpling recipes. It explores the art of crafting these delightful treats, from China to Italy. Explore the traditional techniques and flavors of Chinese dumplings. The book provides detailed instructions and tips for perfect results. Journey to Italy and discover the unique dumpling variations. You'll learn how to create delicious Italian dumplings with ease. With over 100 recipes, there's a dumpling for every taste and occasion. It offers a wide range of options, ensuring you'll find something to love. Impress your guests with your dumpling making skills. This book is your guide to creating memorable meals and entertaining with confidence. What we like. This cookbook features over 100 recipes from around the world. It's designed for those who love to entertain and want to impress their guests with diverse dumpling creations. If you like to host parties and want to offer a variety of dumpling dishes, it is the best choice. What people say. The book has recipes for probably most, if not all, ethnic backgrounds. Recipes from China, Mongolia, Tibet, India, Sweden, Italy, and Germany, to name a few. There will be something you like as well as others that you just have to try. In the front of the book there are recipes for the most common pastry wrappers. In further chapters the author introduces different categories of fillings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.